Are you interested in being able to create incredible 3D objects in just a matter of minutes? Do you want to put that creative mind of yours to good use? If so, this is the course for you. Hi, my name is Joe from Bailey Design. I'm the tutor of this class, which teaches you how to use the sculpting toolkit to sculpt, shape and model fantastic 3D objects using Blender 3D. Now, who is this course aimed towards? Well, this course is for beginners to sculpting who want to learn about a new way of creating their 3D models rather than just using the traditional destructive modelling methods such as using extrusions, bevels, insets, etc. Sculpting is a fantastic way for students to begin creating objects that have real detail and real character to them. In this volume of the sculpting series, we focus on using our sculpting toolkit to begin modelling some more organic shapes in Blender. By using brushes such as the snake hook and grab brushes to form our shapes, and then using the draw, flatten, crease and pinch brushes to define the details for our objects. We also cover some important tips that will be useful to you when getting started with sculpting, such as where to locate all of the important tools and parameters associated with your brushes, as well as some important tips on how to use reference material appropriately to begin sculpting. The goal of this class is for you as the student to be confident enough to create objects using the sculpting tools that we have already listed for use in your own personal projects. It's not just about the video content, however. All of our courses will have plenty of resources and helpful hints along the way, helping you to achieve your goals in whatever it is you set out to achieve. In this class, we want to make you into a 3D artist by teaching you how to sculpt models in Blender. So we have resources provided that will allow you to achieve those goals. In the year 2020, the sculpting toolkit in Blender was given an incredible uplift in terms of performance and brush variety. And that makes this the perfect time to begin sculpting in Blender. So, what are you waiting for?